Hi there, I will guide you step by step to make your own website with Notion booking. So first thing here is step one. So you click this link, you are redirected to WebLucy website builder. Here you create your account, set a password, confirm you are not a robot. This is step one. So step two is duplicating the Notion database. Again, click this link here. You are redirected to the template website where you click duplicate button in the upper right corner. You duplicate it to your Notion workspace. So when it's duplicated, it should be something like this. You see here all the old bookings entered, but you can easily remove them in bulk by clicking the checkbox and emptying the table. Okay, so now we have an empty calendar. So from here, what we need is this Notion database ID. So we expand it to full page, click the three dots here, copy link, and paste it like here. And our Notion database is this part. Replace it here. Okay, so we have the website duplicated, the Notion database duplicated. So the last step here is downloading the make blueprint. So you click the link here and you download this JSON. Then after downloading, you go to your make account, and here you create a new scenario. You don't add any modules here, you just click three dots here, import, choose the file we just downloaded, save, and you have the entire scenario here. The last part is changing a couple of settings in those Notion modules and creating a new webhook. You copy the URL of the webhook, we'll need it later. Then we take the database ID and we replace it here. Well, first we need to make a connection to our newly created Notion database. So we create a connection here to our Notion account, we choose public. Then we authorize the connection to our Notion workspace. Just make sure you select the newly created Notion page with the booking database. Okay, and everywhere where you see this database ID, you need to replace it with the data we have done the previous step. Now, while having the connection created, we can just choose it here. Again, change the database ID, confirm, here the same, choose the connection, change the database ID, confirm, save. Now what we have to do is to start the scenario. Okay, and we have the scenario up and running. So the last step here is connecting the website to the scenario, and we'll do it using the webhook we just created in Make. So we copy it from here, we go to the website, here we click the gear icon, custom code, go to the page body, and here we replace this part with our webhook and the second part with the database ID. Okay, we save it here. Then we need to add a webhook application so that every time the reservation form is sent, the webhook is executed. So we click again the gear icon, applications, add application, scroll down, connect webhook. Here we paste the webhook URL from previous step like this. And here we set the trigger, so it's new form submission. We save it, and now we have up and running booking website connected to our Notion database. When you click the website preview, open a new tab, you have your booking up and running. So let's select two tables, preferred tables. Let's select 120 minutes. Here you see now the availability is pulled from our Notion database. And let's make a new booking, let's say for January 14th, Tuesday, 10 o'clock, and I will just run the scenario so that you can see how it catches the form. So after clicking the confirm booking, the booking is confirmed, and here you can see the data went through and should be available in our booking calendar. So we booked for the 14th. Okay, and it's here. It just required a refresh, but it was saved immediately. So you have your booking, and that's pretty much it. Of course, you can customize it as you want. If you need more assets, you just have 4 basic assets, which are table 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add more of them here. You can change the names here, colors, and whatever you want. And then in the website builder, you just edit the fields, and here you can change the names. So this is step 1. In step 2, there are the preferred tables, and the names of the assets should refer to the one you have in your Notion database. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy your newly created Notion booking page. If you have any question, there's a link to my Facebook Messenger on Notion booking website. All the best and bye.